How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a badass 69 Camaro SS. It is a tribute. It's done in LeMans Blue with a white hockey stripe, white interior. Super nice car. Show quality paint on it. The bumpers all been replaced. The grill. It's got your steel cowl hood. It's got strong ground pounding 468 in it with aluminum heads, 4-speed. Super slick car. Gorgeous car with the white interior. It's a California built car. It's got all the original body panels. Original floors, rear bumpers all been redone. All the window stainless have been replaced. It was a frame off build. It was finished about 2 years ago. It's got the disc brakes up front. Again, it's a 468. It's got roller cam, aluminum heads, air gap intake, the Holly 4-barrel. It's got all MSD ignition. It's got a Walden in-tank fuel pump. Got your aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, power steering. Got all ceramic coated headers into 3-inch stainless MagnaFlow exhaust out the back with X-pipe. Got an M21 Muncie 4-speed. All new interior. Beautiful car. Got all factory tinted glass. Got 12-bolt posi rear with 373 gear. Got a set of cowl track bars. We do have a spare tire that goes with it. Just a super nice car. Car straight down the sides. Real slick paint on the car. And all the door jambs, everything are very nice in the car. Real clean. The stripe is all painted on, buried in the clear. Fires right up. Good sounding car. The MagnaFlow exhaust on it just sneaks up on people, but it's got nice sound camshaft in it. Lights, everything works on the car. I mean, this thing is just ready to get in and rip, go to your shows, your cruises. have a lot of fun with this car. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.